Hello traders. In this video, we're going to be talking about the FX shock indicator for MT4. This system uses colored blocks overlaid on candles plus an integrated PatternFinder Pro module to filter noise, show trend direction, and highlight potential reversal setups in a visually intuitive way. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow the LL imports. And there we have it. On the chart, the FX shock indicator draws orange and black blocks on top of candlesticks, making the chart look similar to a Renko style display but still based on standard time frames. Orange blocks indicate a bullish trend, while black blocks indicate a bearish trend, allowing you to read the dominant direction at a glance. As soon as the blocks change color, orange to black or black to orange, it visually signals a potential trend reversal and a possible opportunity to enter in the new direction. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. Alright, so we have the distance between lines, pips. We have our alert settings, alert display, push to mobile MT4, and send mail. So our options. We can also change the colors for the blocks on the price bars so it fits in or stands out clearly with our MT4 chart theme. So who is this indicator for? The FX shock is aimed at traders who want an automated, visually simple way to see trend direction and combine it with candlestick reversal patterns. Signals can be infrequent, especially on higher time frames or in quiet markets. Blocks may be confusing for complete beginners, and like any system, it can produce false signals or struggle when pairs are stuck in tight ranges. Demo testing and strict money management are strongly recommended before using it on a live account. You can download this indicator using the link in the description below, and you can read the full FX shock indicator article, including detailed strategy examples, pros and cons, and best practice tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.